Hey gang, here we are again, still doing this. Still being silly, still having a good time, and now how did that start off red and turn, I don't even want to know. Starts off red, turns purple and gold, doesn't make any sense. This whole fireworks show is just not making any sense. And we got somebody on a motorcycle about to ride on by. And man, oh man, oh man. You know, they always end this one with a big blowout every year, and still again with a purple. Come on, man. Again, more purple and gold. What is this? What, is that the cheapest color they could get? You're probably gonna see a lot of purple and gold in this part, so yeah, see, there you go. Purple, red, and gold. Ooh, how exciting. And purple. It's like Barney the dinosaur exploded. If you kids don't get that, don't worry about it. Okay, well, hopefully we're gonna be able to keep this thing going a little bit more. So I'll see you guys for the next one, whichever part we're gonna be at. So we'll see you for that one.